Pie Toys! Hello my little pies, and today we're unboxing Barbie and the Rockers. You see, she comes with headphones, purple, and she comes with pants, a skirt, a jacket, a jean jacket, and purple shoes. And she has a beatbox with the phone. Well, these shoes is my favorite color. Anyways, let's open her up. Whew, that was easy. Okay, now let's open her up. Oh, that's easy. We see here she has a little tank top with the number 5, and it's super glittery. And she has a cheetah skirt and pink shoes and purple headphones as well. And she has makeup on. And I just love her hair. It's super curly and super soft. And now let's put her to the side. Here she has a beatbox with a little iPhone in it. You see? It is super adorable. Here she has a skirt, stretchy. It's a black skirt, just a plain black skirt. Put it down right here. Here she has these cute stretchy pants. I can tell she has like little color shapes. Let's put this down next to her. And here is a cute jean jacket. Super adorable. Here she has purple shoes with hearts on them. Now let's try all the clothes on. Let's get started. Here she is with her purple shoes, her leather skirt, and her jean jacket. She just looks so adorable. It's super professional rock. Now, let's see how she looks with her pants on. I'm the biggest fan about these pants. Look like from the 80s. But they are super colorful. Let's see how she looks with her pants and her skirt at the same time. Now this is a little more better. Well, my pies, comment down below and tell me which outfit you like better together. Bye bye my little pies!